and welcome. Thanks for checking out our product review. Now, before we begin, let me ask you a question. Are you struggling to create an online income? Well, if you're interested in having one of our internet marketing coaches help you build your online business to get your monthly income to $10,000 a month, click the first link in the description below. For a limited time, we've opened a few slots for new members. Now, back to the review. You can grab the product through the second link in the description below at any time during this video. And upon your purchase, you're going to receive these 4 exclusive bonuses. Bonus 1, we'll show you how to flood your offers with free traffic. Bonus 2, we'll show you how to master the art of ranking all your videos on YouTube. Bonus 3, learn how to create a significant income by becoming a middleman on one of the top freelancer sites. And bonus 4, discover how to get 250,000 new subscribers every week. We have several more bonuses that you'll find in the description below. These bonuses will be automatically delivered instantly via Warrior Plus or JVZoo as soon as you grab the product. I've also included access to our #1 recommendation for becoming an expert in creating an online income with the help of our AI tools. And you can get started for free. You can get access in the description below. Now, let's get back to the review.
Are you excited about the possibilities of AI, but confused on how to actually make any money with it? Well, let's clear up that confusion here today and make it as easy as point and click simple. So let me ask you this. How would you like to be able to use AI right inside of your own website to build your own affiliate site in just minutes? And better yet, how would you like to have ChatGPT create all of your content, have AI create all of your images, while never having to leave your site? Well, that's exactly what you can do with our new AI Creator software. Because when you combined AI Creator and ChatGPT, it allows you to actually profit from AI. Because in just minutes, you can build your profit-ready affiliate site filled with done-for-you content, automatically monetized and ready to earn you commissions. You can create unique AI images, and best of all, you can do it in just minutes. With AI Creator, you can go from a blank website like you see there on the left to a completely done-for-you affiliate site ready to start earning you commissions. And with that affiliate site, it's filled with done-for-you content created by ChatGPT. All your images are taken care of, and it's ready to start earning you commissions because it's automatically monetized as well. With AI Creator, you can finally start generating some affiliate commissions and put AI to work in your business. And to do that, all you need to do is simply install the software to your site. Go ahead and ask the software a question that you want content created on. This can be absolutely any niche you would like. And from there, just let ChatGPT create your site for you. Skip all of the time-consuming tasks and let AI create it all for you. And in addition to creating your content, you can also let ChatGPT rewrite any content you have. So if you have PLR content sitting out there, articles, any content you have, you can simply have ChatGPT rewrite it and create even more content for your site. And best of all, you can go ahead and create AI images. So no more paying for stock images, no more searching the internet for the perfect image to use. Just let AI create the image for you right inside your own website. In just a matter of minutes, you have an affiliate site ready to start earning you commissions. In fact, it's so easy to use, you'll have your first site up by later today. So if you're ready to finally take the power of AI and use it to actually make some commissions in your business, go ahead and grab your copy of AI Creator today. With AI Creator, it puts the power of AI directly inside your website. It allows you to create all the content you need. It allows you to create AI images, and it can even spin or rewrite any content you want. And with AI Creator, you can have a fully monetized, ready-to-profit website, ready to go in just a matter of minutes by letting AI do all of the hard work for you. Again, if you're struggling to actually use AI to make some money in your business, AI Creator is exactly what you've been looking for. It puts the power of AI directly in your website so you can start using it today to create some affiliate commissions. So if you're ready to get started, go ahead, hit that add to cart button below and get your site up today. All right, so in this video, I want to show you just how easy it is to create a complete affiliate site ready to start earning you commissions using the AI Creator software. So as you can see over here, I have AI Creator installed, and we have three options. We can do Chat GPT posts, which will basically write the content for us. We have the Chat GPT rewriter, and we also have the AI images we can create. So I'm just going to create a Chat GTP post, and all I have to do is simply ask the software a question or whatever I want content created on. So let's say I am creating a site on gardening. So let's say I ask it, what are the 10 best vegetables for gardens and how and when to plant each? So I just simply hit generate, and it's going to create that content for me. So you can see it's gone ahead and written the content for me. It gave me the 10 best vegetables. It says when to plant them and how to plant them. So our content is ready to go. So from here, we can also add a featured image. So again, we can use AI to create that image, or we can also use Pixabay, which is incorporated into the software. So for this first example, I'm going to use Pixabay, and I just simply do a search for garden. I choose an image, and I can go ahead and click create article, and it'll go ahead and create this post on my site for me. In addition, we can also use the AI images. So let's say I want AI to create an image for me. I simply write vegetable garden, hit generate, and it'll create that image for me. I don't have to go out and find an image or pay for an image. So you can see it created that image for me, and now I can just simply add it to my library. So that is ready for the next time. So now let's use the rewriter. So let's say I already have some content and I want to rewrite it or basically spin it to make it unique. All I need to do is paste in the content I have, click rewrite, and it'll go ahead and rewrite that for me. So you can see it's recreated that content for me. I can give the post a title. Now let's use that image we just created. So I just hit add image. And then all I need to do again is hit create article, and it'll go ahead and put that on my site. And I can repeat this process as many times as I would like. So if we go back and look at the site, I'm just going to refresh it. You can see it has created the content for us. So if I go click on one of these, so you can see it brought in the title of it. We have our featured image here. We have Amazon ads. You can promote any affiliate program you want. I chose to do Amazon affiliate ads, so it put those in there for me, and we also have the content. So again, it's going to go out and create that entire site for you. And again, you can continually come back in here and add as much content as you would like. So again, I could say, what are the best fertilizers? And I can generate the content. So it creates that content. I choose an image. Then after I choose the image, again, I just hit create article. It is that simple. Just a simple click, and your article is on your site and ready to go and already monetized for you. So again, that is how easy the software is to use, and there's really no limit on what you can do with the software, because you can continue to create more and more content, create as many AI images as you want, or rewrite as much content as you want as well.